Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to move image, bring font and back in goals document. So let's start it. At first open your goals document. In this video I will show move image, bring font to back. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Then click for image. Now insert for image. Now click for a browse option. Now find your image. Now for select. Then select your image. Now for open. Then we can see already insert for image. Now resize your image. Now again click for an image option. Again another image insert. Now click for browse option, then select from image. Now open. Then again resize from image. Then again another image from insert. Now click for image option, then click for browse. Now click for image. Now resize your image. This image from a others image over. Now click for a mouse right button click, then click for a order option, then click for set backwards. Then again another image for now click for a mouse right button, down click for order option, then click for a send backward. Now this image, now click for mouse right button, then click for order option, click for send backward. In font image, now click for a mouse right button option, then click for order option, now click for a bring to font. That is. Then again another image font. Now click for a image. Now click for mouse right button option. Now click for a order option. Now click for bring to font. That is. Now scroll your mouse. Now click for a save and close option. That is. Then we show move image, bring font and back in Google Sheet document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.